Hello, I'm Sriyasa, and I'm going to speak about self confidence. Confidence is a state of being clear headed, either that our hypothesis or prediction is correct, or that a chosen course of action is best or more effective. Confidence comes from a Latin word fidere, which means to trust. Therefore, having self confidence is having trust in one's self. Arrogance or hubris in comparison is the state of having unmerited confidence, believing something or someone is capable or correct when they are not. Overconfidence or preassumptions is excessive belief in someone succeeding without any regard for failure. Confidence can be a self fulfilling prophecy, as those without it may fail or not try because they lack it, and those with it may succeed because they have it rather than because of any initiate ability. The concept of self confidence is commonly used as an self assurance in one personal judgment, ability, power, etc. Once self confidence increases from experiences of having satisfactory completed particular activities, it is positive belief that in future one can generally accomplish what one wish to do. Self confidence is not the same as self esteem, which is an evolution of one's own worth, whereas self confidence is more specifically trust in one's ability to achieve some goal, which one meta assay suggests is similar to general of self efficiency. Self confidence is not self confidence typically refers to generally self confidence. This is different from self efficacy, with physiologist Albert Bandura has defined as a belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situations or accomplish a task, and therefore is the term that more accuracy refers to specific self confidence. Physiologists have long noted that a person can possess self confidence that he or she can complete a specific task. These two types of self confidence are, however, correlated with each other. For this reason, can be easily correlated. Thank you.